Hey Cakenistas, it's Marisha, and today I'm finally giving you guys that mock meringue buttercream that I posted a mini video about sometime probably 2 weeks ago. Ooh, I'm sorry, the air just kicked in. I look like I caught the spirit, didn't I? It's hot, so yes. It's a very, very simple recipe, and I'm so happy to have found it myself. This is new for me as well. If you haven't done so yet, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, press on the notification bell, and let's get started. If you have ever made any of those meringues, then you get why a mock meringue is so amazing. The process of making a typical meringue frosting.
You gotta have a thermometer. Double boiler, slowly drizzling, you're holding your arm up for like 10 minutes. Everything just has to be so perfect. And it's just like, I just want frosting. I just want frosting.
I'm going to be using my standing mixer with my paddle attachment. Make sure that your mixing bowl is grease free. You can do that by wiping it down with a little bit of vinegar or lemon juice. And then I'm going to add in my confectioner's sugar and some egg whites, preferably room temperature. Because this is a no heat recipe, we want to make sure that those egg whites are pasteurized so that they are safe. Now we are going to mix our 2 ingredients on medium speed for about 10 minutes. Yes, grab a snack.
It can be a little gross if you're somebody like me who feels like the only way I should ever be eating eggs is fried, dyed, and laid to the side. They are pasteurized, so yeah, they're raw, but they're not gonna hurt you. They shouldn't hurt you.
I mean, yeah, technically the other buttercreams are raw as well, but adding in that super hot sugar syrup just puts me at ease a little bit instead of feeling like I'm just drinking some egg whites. You can find pasteurized carton egg whites at any supermarket. I got mine from Target. I love Target.
When you come back to your frosting, then you can begin to incorporate your butter. It's a lot of butter. It's a lot of butter.
I made sure that my butter was brought to room temperature and then cut into small pieces. I'm going to add this a little bit at a time to my buttercream. No, not one at a time because it's never that serious, but definitely like 3 or 4 at a time. We're going to do this while we're mixing our egg whites and confectioner's sugar. And the recipe for this buttercream will be down below in the description.
It is going to look like the frosting is deflating and is getting grainy and you might get scared.
But don't worry, it is going to snap back. You have to let it mix up, get that air incorporated in it again. It's going to turn very pale in color. It's going to have a lot more volume and it's just going to be gorgeous. Allow it to continue to mix for at least 7 minutes and then it's done. Don't forget to add in your flavoring. I of course do vanilla extract as a base and then anything else that you want to add to make it more exciting. If you want to do a little bit of salt, you can. What else? A tip for the summertime, because we're in the thick of it as far as this heat right now, like it was 102 degrees today. So a little tip is to add some shortening, maybe 2/3 butter and 1/3 shortening. Shortening has a higher smoke point, one of the highest actually. Vegetable shortening melts at about 360 degrees and butter melts at about 350 degrees. That 10-degree difference in smoke point is so helpful when it comes to making buttercream. Perfect to combat this weather. Take the tip and use it. I can't stand when you have to mix for a long time and then your bowl kind of gets stuck in that groove. It's like all the technology in the world and we can't get this together. Seriously. After that, you have to do a frosting appreciation moment. I feel like this is the part of the directions that are never included in the directions. You have to have a swivel moment to see how soft and fluffy your buttercream is. You can also decide if you want a little bit more sugar, if you want more butter or shortening or anything like that just by looking at it. It pipes beautifully. This is my watermelon cake. I used only this frosting to decorate this cake and look how gorgeous. I hope you enjoyed this video. Couture in a mock meringue buttercream. Bye guys.
It pipes like a silky pajama set in between some silk covers. If you have silk covers, you are a very strong individual because how your toenails stick to the sheet and you don't care. Wow. It's one of those frostings that refrigerates well, and then you can pull it out the same day that you need it, let it come to room temperature, just give it a quick little whip and it's right back to where it started. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I will see y'all in the next one. Bye, Cakenistas. The sun is out of here. The sun says, see ya, wouldn't wanna be ya. I used to be like, seriously, you think your life is so much better than mine? You wouldn't wanna be me? Oh, okay, no problem. Just wait till I'm popping.